Hello everyone, it is Shamila here from Kanya Crafts, and I am actually busy with my project for the Celebrate Enchanted collection, and I thought I would give you a preview because good news, I took some pictures while I was doing this one, so there will definitely be a tutorial coming soon. I'm trying to get more organized. So let me just show you quickly. This is the raw album. Well, it's actually more of a folio, and it's got an overlapping page like this, so ignore all my writing. This is my prototype, and then it opens up like this. And what we have here, so we've got a right side and a left side, and they are both exactly the same. So your first page, and I'm not done with this yet. You see I've made some notes for myself, so I thought I'd do a quick video just to give you a little preview of what's coming. So we've got a flap page here that will open up like that, and then it's got the same on the other side. And then over here we've got one single flap with another page, and we've got the same on this side, except that I put the little flap at the bottom just to give it some more interest with a page. And then in here you can see that Shamila made a little boo-boo. I actually stuck this flap on the wrong page, and I could not deal with it, so I took it off. But never mind, we're going to cover that with beautiful pattern paper. So we've got another page here, and it opens up like this, and then we've got scored flaps on the inside. And then this is, if I can just pull this thing up like this so we can get a better picture, this is your central page, the back of your folio, which has space for a lovely big photograph there. It flaps up, and then we've got a waterfall down here, which will also leave you place for a lovely big format photograph there. So yes, this is just a quick squiz through my my little folio to let you know what's coming soon. And the card I used, which is the iCraft craft card. Do I have the packaging here? Yes, I do. I'll show you quickly. What I like about it is the same side on both sides. Where is it? That's what the paper pack looks like. It is the 250 GSM, 25 sheets, premium cardstock, acid and lignin free. It is craft. It retails for 125 Rand for 25 sheets. I'm skeptical about whether it's 250 grams. It feels a little bit lighter than 250. I think it's more like 180, but it's fine for my inner pages. And I think this is the color of this card is going to go amazing with that enchanted collection. And one thing I forgot to do, which is something that I always forget to do, is to put, where is it, am I in shot? Is to put my little tapes over there. So I'm going to have to figure out a way of doing that, top and bottom. So that is my folio tutorial, which is coming soon. Am I in shot? Yes. Quick one. See you in cyberspace. Bye now.